At the end of each Storyply workshop, it is customary for the teams to present their work and have a retrospective discussion about their process. It is an opportunity to recapture the essence of what has been discussed and listen to each other. Accordingly, at the end of their workshop, Soul team also shared their brief summary about the insights which surfaced during the discussion, as many other teams have done before and after them.
Good design thrives where creativity can be channeled through skilled practice. Our studies show that the real-time visual mapping of the thinking process under the guidance of storycrafting principles has several benefits. Firstly, embedding narrative competence into visual thinking drives the discussion towards experiences. Consequently, the ideas that spin out of such discussions are more likely to serve the purpose of designing for experiences. Secondly, the ordinarily mysterious creative process opens up for the contribution of users and non-designers, while the concepts are still under consideration. Thirdly, the document which gradually appears in front of the design team provides a blueprint of the ideation process, which can be iterated back and forth on different occasions with various participants who might or might not be a part of the generation process. Above all, the design team can discuss and iterate new concepts in a platform that offers a structure which allows sketching experiences true to their temporal, emotive, and contextual nature. Thank you very much for patiently watching this rather lengthy demonstration about how Storyply works. I sincerely hope that I was able to convey the opportunity we saw in combining design craft with storycraft. We believe Storyply offers a relevant contribution and a unique approach in designing for experiences. But don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourselves and let us know if it works for you as well as it works for us. So long. Thanks for all the fish.